So the gang is here. Hi, Mom. Where are you boys headed to? Where are you guys going?
We're heading to gates.
What's the gate number? Alala mo?
304?
No?
103?
Yun, ang galing. Very good. So, William. Hi, Ardo. What are we waiting for?
For some yummy.
Ito tayo ngayon.
The problem is for number 17.
Number 17. Kaya lang naman eh. How about you, Mr. William? Yummy. Oh.
He wants
Ay,
to
wow.
eat food.
Oh my. Are you hungry? You're supposed to be sleeping.
We're super hungry. We're not sleeping because we're going to Japan to meet Godzilla and Teke Teke.
Get some sleep. Arlo. Where's our
This
Ilya?
is the best Japan in the world.
Hey. Ilya, where are you? Cute naman yun. You get some sleep?
Mom's so
Good
pretty
daw.
with this hairstyle.
Night Express going to oops, what was that? Hey Joy, ano gagawa mo?
Dudu, dudu, dudu.
Dudu? You mean shark?
Yeah.
Meron? Where?
And out.
Oh, ganun. Si Kuya Arlo.
Dudu.
Can't wait. Hey, we're now in Ueno. Coming from the Skyliner here. Alright. Where are we going? Saan? Try natin. Hey. So ngayon hanap muna kami. We're going to the hotel. Hanap muna mga kainan. See ya. Okay.
Bye.
Ameya Yokocho. Okay. Hanap ng mga kakain. Habang may luggages at stroller. Oops. Checking. Dito tayo. Tingnan natin. Hi, Mommy.
And we're back.
We're back to Japan. This time in Tokyo. So, nagaling lang namin sa aming Narita transfer. So, nag-end up kami sa Ueno. Dahil from Ueno, doon pa lang kami lilipat. Doon sa line, papunta sa aming Airbnb. Okay, so ngayon, nantay namin ang aming order. Dito kami sa Torimaru. Hopefully it's good. Kampay muna kami. Tubig. Hey, finally we're back. We're back. Favorite. Yun. So, ito lang.
Kote.
Tapos sashimi.
William.
Then may mga skewers pa
William,
paparating. Sana si Mr. Iliam. Mr. Iliam.
William.
Kaya na. Sarap. Makuha.
Ayos na eating. Gutom na gutom ang kuya.
Ay, pagod din eh. Iliam.
Ako yan.
Skewers pa pala.
Para kung may mga pakita tayo.
So yummy. It's hot.
Nilagyan mo ng wasabi.
Hot.
Ay, mali. Yun, pang championship na skewers. Ang sarap. Good start.
Good.
Mhm. Actually, plinanan natin mami magana. Yugatsu
Yugatsu.
Motomura agad. Kaso, ang haba agad ng pila. Tapos, paakyat pa siya. And since first day namin, wala pa nga kami sa Airbnb. Ang dami namin dala. Hindi kami makakaakyat talaga. Impossible. Ngayong gabi, try natin. Na, Perla. Sarap ng food mo? Yan o, yan. Favorite nilang dalawa. Ng aming bunso na busy. William.
He's busy with playing with the luggages.
So what were you saying about
I'm
the...
about to order
Torikatsu.
another one. The
Another
taco
one?
is so yummy.
So yummy na.
Very good.
Yummy.
Mhm. Ito. Kahit salt lang talaga siya. Grilled skewers. Na sorted. Sarap. Boss na. Try mo na ba, Arlo?
Yeah, so good.
Dito lang kami sa labas, oh.
Now po.
Mhm.
It's like a rich.
It's like you're rich.
Finally.
Okay, finally we arrived. After 1,000 steps, luggages and strollers. Okay, see you later.
Grabe naman yan.
Okay, so we're finally
In
in
our
our
hotel.
hotel or Airbnb.
Can you
Sobrang
open?
laki niya, guys.
Open.
Na ano
It's
tayo?
open.
Nakakaloko dun sa Airbnb. Mukhang malaki. At
Why?
adventure, yung kanina pinakita namin hindi pala dun. So lumipat pa kami. Arlo, was it too far? Ha? About to Iliam. Si Iliam napagod na din yan eh.
No, it's way
Kaya
too far,
nagutom.
guys.
It was way too far. Pero thank God we're here.
Edward, okay.
Rest lang. And then, saan tayo pupunta? Shinjuku? Are we gonna see Godzilla? Oh, sana hindi umulan. Kasi may forecast ng light rain. But, we're gonna wing it. Ano? Okay? Kaya? Okay. Okay. Na ano tayo ngayon? Yamanote Line going to Shinjuku. So, pababa tayo ngayon dito at sumara na siya. Sarahan tayo, Pop? Ha? Okay. We're going down, don't worry. Dami mabibili, Mami. May mga namataan ka na. Oh, bakit? Ay, gusto mo mag-press? Oh, sa loob. Gusto daw niya mag-press lagi
You press
eh.
inside.
Oh, ang kagandahan sa Japan, meron mababa. Shinjuku, sa pinakamalaking busiest station, sabi nila. Yes.
Sige, press. What are you gonna buy?
Para sa'yo, tali.
Hindi! Van Houten!
Alright. So, welcome to BGC. Alala mo yun, yung 3D, ano? Ayan yung, look at the cat, oh! Whoa! Yeah? You like it? Huh?
Yeah, wait for it.
Huh? What are you looking for? Sino hanap mo? Godzilla? Okay, hanapin natin. Andyan na yan. Nakita ko na, Mami. Arlo, look! Look up! Up! Ayun, oh! Arlo! Ayun, sa building! Top of the building, Iliam! Turo mo kay Iliam, Mami.
Look up, Iliam. Iliam here. Dito kayo na.
Iliam, you see it?
Look here, Iliam. There. Ayun, oh. Can you see the head?
This is what we're looking for. you see what you guys are holding?
This.
Can I see about that,
Can we
Iliam? Iliam,
order
show.
the 3 of these?
Show Tita Abby and Wawa. Oh.
Can we order the 3 of these, please? They're really cool.
Cool, but they are expensive. You like it?
Remember last time you were able to buy me Mecha
Who did you see
Godzilla
outside? Who did you see
Godzilla?
outside? Iliam. Who did you see outside?
Zia.
Zia.
Godzilla.
Ah, Space Godzilla.
Mama, jump.
Nandito kami sa Donkey. Malapit kay Godzilla. So as you would expect, maraming mga Godzilla themed na toys. Happy ang mga bata.
Dad, let's buy the 3 of these.
Order si daddy nito at home.
Dito.
Daddy will order this at home.
Anong gusto mong gawin dyan? Bye? Can you say it?
Let's go.
What do you wanna do? Ha? Pupo.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh, bye. Lagot. Yan na, happy na si Mami. Wait lang. I'll follow. Getting ready for this. Wow.
Dad, my food.
Yeah, we have to cook it.
Sige, this after this one.
Yeah.
Look at it, Arlo, how it cooks. Oh boy.
What's the red thing? What's the red thingy, Dad? The red thing.
That's the meat when it's not cooked. Wait, let me do it.
It's so yummy.
That's so yummy, so good.
Yeah, so yummy.
Good. Okay, Arlo, so good.
That's pretty hot.
Yeah, it's just pretty hot, but it's
Wow. Sorry. What's this hard to get? So loud.
hard to get.
They're hard to get. That's why I started you.
Okay. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, okay naman.
20 out of 20.
First 7-Eleven, first of many. After a very long, tiring day, no, Kuya Arlo? But it was so fun. Wow. What are you looking for? Ice cream?
Get these ice cream.
You will have ice cream?
Yes.
Won't you have trouble sleeping? Ha?
I'm sure
Okay
I
lang.
won't.
Kita ni Mami ang hinahanap niyang melon pan. Yes.
Mom, look what I have.
Uy, naiiyak. Gusto mo din? Oo, we'll get you. Mami, paano kaya yan? Gusto niya rin daw. Oo, pwede.
Kasi busy tayo.
Bili
na tayo ng something.
Tama. Oo, para ma...
Tayo mag-stop over.
Yep.
Daddy.
Tatadan. Meron ka pang chocolate drink sa labi. Sodium Lane. Ref, yes.
Bukas na, ano kaya tingin mo?
Ano ba yan?
Na tayo bumili, bukas na bumili.
Ngayon na, para tuloy-tuloy. May ref naman tayo.
Ito para masarap pork, ham, egg, and meat.
So,
Oh, sige, go. Ang bait mo naman. Ano yung offer mo kay Kuya Iliam?
Off the aircon, kakon.
Okay, well.
Day. Mande.
Sweet naman yun.
No. Mano.
Malo.
I'll drink it later.
Okay, it's not yet in the mood. Okay, I'll turn off the aircon. Or,
Yeah, turn off the aircon.
okay, sige.
Me. Me.
Good morning. This is what's outside of our B&B room.
Yeah, raining, bad shining like in when you last went to Disney.
Pero not as bad naman. Drizzle lang.
It's just drizzle. It'll
Iliam.
stop in
Yum.
9.
Uy. Is it too bright?
Iliam is saying it's too bright.
Ito yung pinakamalaking elevator. Try natin kunan ng video later.
We need 21 people to in.
Hi, Mom.
Excited.
You look good.
Thank you.
How,
Elevator
how
natin.
about me?
Of course. Lahat tayo.
And you loves the
Eh, syempre.
cutest.
Ayun na.
Let's go, let's
Biggest
go.
elevator in the world. Come on, hold it
Going
in.
to the biggest elevator.
See?
Look, it can
How
it
tight.
can even fit a humongous stroller. See?
Hey, we're here at the Tokyo Station. Ang ganda, ano, Mami?
Dad, you're the chaser, so you chase me.
Okay, ayun si Iliam, oh.
Lucky you're still.
Picture taking muna bago tayo pumunta ng Disney.
Mommy. Let's go.
Okay, we need to go na. We need to go. Yan, nandito na tayo. Disneyland. Take 2. Ay, maganda-ganda yung weather this time. Unlike last year, trinay namin. Sobrang lugi dahil inulan kami. Bawi tayo, guys. Ah. Yan, talk about good weather na, Mami. Windy.
Hot.
It's hot. For a while. Yeah. Hey, we're in Pirates of the Caribbean, right? Good.
Very excited.
Excited?
Yeah.
Go like this. Don't even do that.
Yeah, very good.
Alright. Gonna do it. Whoa. Hold on. Wow. Whoa, that's so dark. Whoa.
おめえたちは冒険が好きでこの海賊の海へ来たんだな。そんならここはうってつけだ。だがぼんやりするんじゃねえぞ。しっかり。Hold in the treasure map and the key as well. What are you ready? Ciao. Drink up.
Lunch. Hi. Okay. Gonna ride the Western River Railroad.
ここには実にたくさんインディアンの言葉で我々は仲間だということを 三択へオアシンというんですが、こっちも手を振ってみましょう。自分たちの力でこの土地を開拓したんですよ。彼らはとても親しみやすくて、ここを訪れればいつだって温かく迎えてくれます。出てきたものなんです。
No daddy daw. Ayaw mo kasama si daddy. Kailangan. Hindi ka pwedeng alone. See, we're seated together. Excited ka na?
Yeah. Mom. Whoa.
What are you riding? What are you riding? This one? Your horse? No, your horse. Where's your kuya? Are you excited now? This one. Kuya Arlo! Go coaster. Ta-try namin yan. Excited ka, Arlo?
No.
No, ayaw mo na ng roller coaster. Ito kaya, first time niya sakto sa height limit. Si William Kyle. Okay. Let's go, William. After, nakailan tayo? Medyo several rides na, no? It's time to rest muna. Refreshments muna. William? Water lang muna si William. Ba't yung Arlo? Ano yan?
Orange juice.
Orange juice. Think it's good? Fanta yata. Ay, hindi. Minute Maid. Kaya pala gusto mo, no? Ito lang muna. Tapos mamaya, hanap ulit tayo na masasarap. Sana may churros tayo matiming na masarap, mami. Wow. Get tired now, William.
I also got
Theater. Yeah. Hello. Tapos na si William. We're about to end our day in Disneyland. Ito naman, pagod. Nagsama ang aming bunso. About you, kuya?
just driving a car, so driving.
Driving to the hotel na?
Yeah, I'm driving to the hotel. Tomorrow we're going to Legoland. Just kidding.
Let's go.
Kaya na, mami? Alright.
On the board. Order some ice cream.
Say it again.
Hi, I'm gonna order some ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yes.
What flavor?
Vanilla. I'm so excited.
Did you have fun today?
Yes, but not the
Not the-
scary roller coaster.
Not the roller coaster.
I was shaking and
Here.
crying.
Did you cry?
Yeah.
Or was about to?
Was we and Iliam's face was like.
Pero si Iliam, no? He rode with us. Yan. Tulog.
He is sleeping.
He's been running all day. No?
Yeah, because of that, he was kissing on. Yeah, that.
Okay. See you later.
You.
So after the snack, we're gonna go na.
Yes, finally.
Okay.
Daddy.
Yay! Bye Disneyland! Alright. Carlot, na, so dito sa taas.
Dito, anak. Go.
Okay. You choose?
I choose. Oh, cool.
Whoa, where is it now? There you go. Show it to us. Cool!
Halloween
nice.
pa. Ang
Ayan,
cool.
souvenir. Yeah, we got two. Yeah, you want this? Okay, we're just gonna play, okay? Family Mart. What to buy? We'll stay up for the night. Let's see. Okay, gonna get milk tea. Mami?
Hokkaido milk cream cake roll.
Oh, tapos dito pa.
Grabe, good day.
Mhm.
Kaso may
Oh, late night finds.
Ano kaya to? Grabe, dad.
Pwede.
Pero mahal.
Para to, custard pudding. Ah,
Grabe yan, dad. Go?
okay, Mami. We're in Shibuya.
Where are we gonna go out?
Ha? Here, I think.
We're going there.
Going there?
Search.
We're just gonna take stairs.
Kapapila. Kapapila, sana worth it. Ah,
I think it's worth it.
I think so. Dami yun. Pila. Finally, nakaupo na kami, but we're still waiting for food. Support na yung mga bata. Sana masarap.
20 minutes to prepare nga,
Oo,
dad.
20 minutes.
1 hour wait talaga.
Okay. So, nag-line up tayo na 40 minutes na, roughly. Tapos, 20 minutes daw ang wait time. Sige. Daming time mag-edit. Na, Ilyam? Okay.
Wait, hold on.
There it is. Arlo, you wait.
Arlo, wait.
Finally, kumakain na tayo ng pancake na fluffy. Sarap? Happy pancake nga ba, Arlo? Ha? Happy pancake? Sarap. Mami, happy ako kasi meron na din ako. Okay, let's go. Jesus. Wow. Late night in Lawson. Finally home.
And the sound jeep.
Yung mga Lawson finds namin.
Bacon.
Wow! Ang sarap yata niyan. Let's see, ma'am. Pagod pero worth it naman.
I'm drinking juice right now. Mine.
Okay.
Yum's diapers is so cute.
Oo nga eh.
It's from the Disneyland.
Cover.
Okay naman. Napakasarap.
So good.
So good. I can already smell it.
Ah, you wanna try it? Ah, dali.
Yops.
Nagkarang.
Test the reveal.
It's
Let's
hot.
do the test reveal. But it's
Harangan,
still
para they can
hot.
see.
Yeah.
Oh, subukan mo na.
My dad's the one who's filming.
Yeah. Subukan mo na. Try it.
3, 2, 1.
At pa ba?
Oh wow. I'm just seeing the time.
Bite. Just bite. That's why you just bite. Bite this side.
Family in our hotel didn't really took that much.
Come
To
on, one
go
more
here?
try.
Hmm.
Si kuya na lang.
Mine.
Dito ka na lang. In fairness, madami na.
Me. Mommy.
This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we can also try yung spicy sausage.
Oo, ano?
Konti na lang kasi yung laman kasi gabi na eh.
Oo. Masimot na.
Dad, no. Mommy. You sound just so satisfied. Go. That's satisfying.
Good night na.
Good night, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
3, 2, it. Cheers. Hello.
Bento drinks.
We're going to Ginza.
You want to drink na?
Kami magla-lunch today.
Later?
Kanilang favorite drink. Si Talis Coco o kaya si Van Houten.
Pwede na kaya? Tatanggapin na kaya tayo?
Kasi 11, no? Yeah, 11 naman na.
11:30 eh.
11:30. Try natin. May sa White Crown. Ngayon kami na lang alaman. Pinagbigyan tayo even without reservation. So we ordered,
For your birthday.
yeah, for my birthday daw. So, course meal to, mami na. Let's see. Si Kuya may sariling table, parang classroom setup. That's how it is. Curry soup. That's how we like it. Oh, I see this. Wow. Sarap. Eating by himself, oh. Ay, yung curry meat. William is somewhere there. Yeah, gusto niya. Sige, ay Arlo, yung sa soup mo. Let's give it to your brother.
Why?
That's what he's eating now. Okay? Yummy? Yung meal na to, 2,500 yen. May soup, naubos na. May rice na. Sorry, may salad. Soup. Tapos yung main course mo na ilang piraso ba to? So marami na din. Yeah. Cook. Where did you get it? From the ano? I put it in the grill muna. You want me to help you? Can you do it? Good. Ayan. Lutuin mo siya sa preference mong danis. Careful anak. Sobrang sulit. Tapos may kasama pang juice or soda. Ay, may plus pala yun mami na konti na. May plus 300 na. Not bad na rin. It's parang classroom setup. Ganun. Nakabahan ako dito, baka may recitation, mami. Pero mabait yung teacher namin. Bait. Galing. So may hinahatid pa sa amin. Nakakala ko hindi nakasama sa course. Kasama pa pala yun. Grabe. Enjoy si mami. Si kuya. So ano to? Grabe to. Sobrang sarap itong steak. Try natin kung may prayer na rin eh. Hindi ko kaya.
It's very, very good.
Very, very good.
So very good.
Naku, ito mo. Naliban ng course meal. Si Iliam, susunod mami. Nakita. Tayo dito. Hindi mo siya. Tapos kahit salt lang. Salt lang siguro. Yung sinisalt. Takpan. Ito. Creamy. Let's go. Oh wow. Grabe nga naman. Beans. Oh wow. Sarap.
Very good.
So good. Sarap.
Yeah, so
Grabe. Nalaman namin. Free pa yung rice refill. Grabe to. Yeah, go ahead. talaga. Mukha lang mahal pero sulit talaga siya. Hindi siya mahal, lumami no. Parang nga lang nagyabo. So highly recommended. Ano pa ito ma'am? Casual ramen.
Oh, tempura.
Tempura pala. Casual ramen. Casual. Ito pala. Ay hindi. Wala ko nabasa. Lots of people queuing up. Coke po muna. Go. Yeah. Good job. Hey. Hi Iliam, we're in Ikebukuro. Kakalabas na namin ng station. Weather is so good, but it's very hot. Shorts na. Arla, show your your get up. Shorts na kasi ang init. Init today. Last full day in Japan. Happy boys and mommy. Daddy pala. I wanna go there.
Yeah, let's go to Giga.
But while you play, mommy will shop.
Okay, sige. Okay, nasa Gigo.
I thought you said look at the balls.
With my found it. Yumon. Okay, let's go. Okay, wow. Thank you.
What's the doing? Oh, it's your...
Spoon.
Try natin yung special Wagyu ramen.
Oh, but Ilan is
So it's spicy. So, pretty good. May palaman.
Oh my, why is there so
How about yours? Yours is good. White broth ramen naman kay Arlo. It's not spicy of course, but it's so good as per mommy and Arlo.
Masarap na. Tikim ka na lang dito.
It's the sport.
You like this? You show them. Sport. Cool. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 2. Another one. Oh, Ilim, you put. And then you twist and turn. You turn, Iliam. Whoa. You got something? What did you get? What did you get? You got something? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Want me to open?
Yeah.
Galing naman, parehas na may nakuha. Pa. Matsuya. Matsuya to end our last full day in Japan. Sadness. Iliam. Iliam.
I'm so excited to go back to the Philippines.
Why? You miss the Philippines?
Yeah.
Miss
Ito na
us?
po, ito na po.
Actually, a cousin in
Iliam.
Goa.
Aha.
And it's like cousin in my...
It's the same. It's the same.
Let's eat. On our way home. Hey mommy, on our way home. Skyliner. Parang mas mabilis.
Right now, just still sitting here.
Be careful.
For mommy. Now we're gonna go to an airplane to go back to the Philippines. I really miss the Philippines.
But did you enjoy your stay here? Enjoy ka?
Yeah. Especially seeing Godzilla. Now we're gonna make a card for Daddy.
Okay, thank you.
Dad is just not behaving and he's just sitting on the carpet.
Okay.
Bouncing!
Let's go na to our gate. Come on. You don't wanna be late.